Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy, the Super Dragon. Today I'm doing the CtsTurbo oil catch can on my 2007 GTI Mark 5. First thing you gotta do is remove the old PVC valve, which has 4 screws. One here, one here, one here, and one here. And you gotta remove this. It's broken already, but you gotta be careful so that don't happen. And that's pretty much it for right now. I'll get you back later once I install it. You can see I already installed the CTS catch can. Catch can right here. It has this little mount right here. You screw it with a old screw for the water reservoir, and it comes with 2 screws. Easy peasy. And yep, that's it, guys. You put everything back in. 4 screws with a kit, the plate the CTS oil catch can has send you with. You put it back, and there you have it. And there you have it.